All right, I'm going to show you how to make a GIF with still photos on your iPhone without downloading any apps. Here's one I made with 3 still photos from a race I finished. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to shortcuts. You see it up at the top. That's part of your iPhone. It's already on there. If not, just search for it and you'll find shortcuts. Click on it and you can see in my shortcuts at the top it says convert photos to GIF. If you have that, great, that's what you're going to use. If not, at the bottom you see it says shortcuts, automation, and gallery. Choose gallery, and then you're going to scroll to wherever you find it says all the GIFs. Don't choose make a GIF. You can use that, but that's just for live photos. But if you choose convert photos to GIF, that's the one you're going to want to use for still photos. Then click on it. I already did, so it's got a check mark. Then go back to shortcuts, choose convert photos to GIF, and then you choose the pictures you want. And I'm choosing these 3. Hit add, and now it's a GIF. Now you have to save it before you hit done. Done just would stop it. So choose the export arrow at the bottom and then save the image. And you can also export to Messenger or send a text or whatever you want to. Click done. Then you're all done. And then when you go to your image gallery, there it is. That's how you make a GIF with an iPhone. Let me know if you have any questions.